Today we are going to tell you how to replace wheel. Use a screwdriver to pry open the robot's vacuum panel. Flip over the robot's vacuum. Remove screws under the bumper. Take off the bumper strip. Unscrew the screw at the bottom of the robot vacuum. Remove the bumper slightly, and then open the robot vacuum. Unplug the wheel connection cable. Unscrew the screws next to the wheels and unplug the inner side connecting cable. Unscrew the last 3 grooves. Unplug the black connection cable. Remove the spring to take the wheel out. After putting the new wheel on, install the spring. Install the screws in order. Reconnect the blue connection cable. Reconnect the yellow connection cable. Tighten the screws on both sides. Reconnect the black connection cable. If other parts fall, install the fallen parts back to their original position. Put back the panel of the robot's vacuum. Replace the screws, the bumper, and the face cover. Replace the bumper strip. Toggle the wheel can be normal rotation to complete the replacement.